everyone. Good evening. Thank you so much for being here. A very, very warm welcome to all of you. I am Minnie Mathur, and on behalf of Netflix, I welcome you all to a very, very, very special event. सबसे पहले तो I want to ask all of you, आपको हमारा ये mini Kalimpong कैसा लगा? Come on, tell me. Isn't it lovely? Okay, how many of you could actually solve the clues? Did you try going to the... You did? Amazing. You did too? All the clues? Okay, that was superb. So I hope you did go to all the experience zones, and I hope you're all warmed up for the thriller of the year. And I'm sure you will be, because I am super, super excited about it. Ladies and gentlemen, today Netflix is raising the curtain on a film that is sure to get your mind in a twist and your heartbeats racing. That's right. आज हम यहाँ पर आए हैं, as you all know very well, for the trailer release of a superb film. It's a roller coaster of a ride, and it's called Jaane Jaan. Jaane Jaan is a special film for many, many, many reasons. One, it is the streaming and Netflix debut of the undisputed queen of the silver screen, Kareena Kapoor Khan. Two, Kareena's co-stars are two actors who adapt to their roles like chameleons, okay? Absolute girgits they are, and they are masters of their craft. You know them very well. Jaideep Ahlawat and Vijay Varma. Those are the two reasons. Three, whenever we talk about mysteries and crime thrillers, Sujoy Ghosh is the one name that you have to think of first. His knack of weaving his locations into the story, just like he did with Kolkata and Kahani, and now Kalimpong in Jaane Jaan, keeps the audience absolutely on edge, guessing. He's loved by fans globally. And four, Jaane Jaan is the official adaptation of the best-selling novel by Kiigo Higashino, The Devotion of Suspect X. It's a book I have thoroughly enjoyed reading as well. So we're so lucky to have this film based on that official adaptation. So the coming together of so many talented people is all thanks to Netflix, which is always striving to deliver its legacy of quality content. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to talk a little bit more about choosing distinct projects like Jaane Jaan, I'd like to invite on stage the VP Content Netflix India. Please put your hands together for the very lovely Monica Shergill. Woo!
Thank you, Minnie. Hi, everyone. Thank you for coming here today. I think it's a very, and a third very special film for us for so many reasons. I mean, the biggest one being, like Minnie rightly said, the absolute undisputed queen of cinema, of Hindi cinema, Kareena Kapoor Khan. I cannot tell you हम कितने excited हैं कि करीना की first film on streaming is with Netflix. And it is this film. Jaane Jaan is an absolute experience. I mean, I wish I could bring the mood of the film in my voice. It is an absolutely intriguing, mysterious, suspenseful, smoldering drama film which has crime, romance, amazing amount of twists and turns, and characters who are so unforgettable. I mean, Sujoy Ghosh as a director has woven such an intriguing tale that keeps you like literally at the edge of your seat. मतलब आप देखना शुरू करेंगे और आप कब, एक twist से दूसरे twist, and wanting to find out कि कौन, is the person who has done it, and who's responsible for the crime, who is not, who is right, who is wrong, who's good, who's bad. It's one of my favorite films that we've done at Netflix. मैं बहुत ही rarely इस सवाल का जवाब भी देती हूँ कि आपका Netflix slate में favorite क्या है. But I think I can very confidently say that Jaane Jaan will take you on a ride which will be absolutely unforgettable, unmissable. So without further ado, a little bit of ado for the two amazing talent that I want to also give a hat tip to, Jaideep Ahlawat and Vijay Varma. We worked a lot with them on Netflix. They have done some amazing stories. across formats for us. And the ensemble cast of Kareena headlining and Jaideep and Vijay in such unique roles. I think I should let the trailer do the talking now. And please, let's take a sneak peek into Jaane Ja.
For a brilliant cast. This is a great turnout. I'm so happy to see so many of you. And I'm going to have the privilege of asking the cast here a few question and answers. I'm sure you all want to ask your own questions. We'll have time for that. And I'm going to begin, well, you know, the person center stage, Kareena. We have to ask you the first question, if you don't mind. Like, I am going to start with you. So, Kareena, you've literally molded the modern avatar of the heroine, okay? You've been a game changer. You've done many, many firsts in your life. How does it feel to be debuting all over again, this time with Netflix? What has changed? How does it feel?
I think I'm more nervous than what I was 23 years ago.
You've got to be
Somehow,
kidding me.
yeah, for the first time, because I just feel like I was watching the promo even so closely on a television screen. So, you know, people watching me so close, you know, in their homes. I think it's, I don't know, I'm obviously nervous, but I know one thing for sure, that we all have worked really hard. Of course, every actor in whichever film works really hard. But I think Sujoy's made a fantastic film because I believe in him. We've been wanting to work together for, I think, over a decade. And it's just happened. And it happened thanks to, you know, my dearest friend Jayu, who's made this film along with Akshay, who had this idea actually when we were shooting Bhoot Police, and it just came up that, you know, why don't we make the book? And I was actually pregnant with Jay at that time. And we were in Dharamshala, and I was like, it was such a lovely idea. And it just, you know, everything just fell together. And when Jayu came to me and he said that, okay, we're doing the film. And Sujoy is very excited because he's been, you know, he's been with the script.
Right.
And I said, why don't we do it for Netflix? Because, you know, everyone's doing so much work on Netflix and it's so good. And I you know, I don't want to be left behind. I want to do it. And he was like, yeah. And then obviously he was like, you know, he threw some actors' names and he was like, yeah, whatever. And then I was like, listen, you know, I want to work with, you know, some really amazing actors.
Unusual choices for you.
Yeah, just something. I said, you know, somebody that I can, you know,
Yeah.
I just, you know, add some sort of freshness, I can learn from. And then he was like, yeah. And then he came back and he was like, I think Jaideep would be amazing for the professor's role and Vijay for this part.
That's a dream cast right
And
there.
I was like, I just didn't even think for a second. I was like, this is it. I want to do this. I want to work with them. I want to learn from them. And I can't thank both of them enough for just, just being so amazing that I would sometimes just be like in the middle of the shot, be looking at them like, and forgetting actually my lines. And I've never done that with any actors ever, because I think they're just so natural. So I think it's been like it's just meant to be. And Netflix, I think, so amazing for making this project and giving us the opportunity to tell this beautiful story with a lot of fog.
Right, so many firsts. Jaideep, you're playing mathematician in this film. आप इस फिल्म में jujitsu भी कर रहे हैं. And you're playing a very enigmatic, peculiar sort of character that we can see from the promo. And it's also a sort of understated machismo वाला role. अभी तक हमने आपको बड़े outwardly machismo वाले roles में पसंद किया है. So what is it that you haven't done for the roles that you play yet? Because you obviously work so hard on every single character that you play. आप इसके बारे में बहुत सोच के करते होंगे. What is it that you haven't done or would not like to do?
नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है. कोशिश ये रहती है कि कुछ नया करने को मिल जाए, और जब टीम अच्छी होती है तो बहुत सारा काम आसान हो जाता है, मेरा ये मानना है. तो जब स्क्रिप्ट मेरे पास आई थी तो सर ने, दादा ने जब सुनाया उसको, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ये लगा कि यार ये कहानी बहुत अलग है. एंड देन आई थिंक दादा वाज वेरी स्केयर्ड कि ये मुझे बोलेंगे कि मैं ये लुक देने वाला हूँ, तो आई विल डिनाई दैट. एंड बट आई थिंक मेरे लिए वो हुक पॉइंट था कि अच्छा, इस तरह का इंसान दिखने वाला है नरेन व्यास. और
So let me get this straight. किसी ने आपको बोला कि आपको 2 घंटे का प्रोस्थेटिक करना पड़ेगा रोज मेकअप, आपने कहा ये बात अच्छी है, मैं ये करता हूँ.
ये नहीं बताया गया था. वो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. बट उसको फिर से वही बात है, आप उस प्रोसेस में रहते हो तो बहुत मजा आता है. देन एंटायर टीम आपको हेल्प करती है वो करने में. और फिर जब कास्ट ऐसी हो आपके साथ,
So ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा to say yes, this is what I'm doing.
ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती.
Amazing. I have many questions to ask you, but I have to ask Vijay the next one. This is your 6th title with Netflix. हाँ, तो ये question तो बनता है. Do you love Netflix or does Netflix love you more? I will let Monica answer it
Before
first.
he says anything, I just want to add and counting.
Oh, really? She's not counting. I don't think anybody is. So, what is? Take us through this collaboration. ये कैसे हो रहा है?
I think for a break, for a good welcome break, I'm in a very healthy relationship with Netflix, and it's only growing stronger. From being a situationship to we have actual relationship now, and it's getting into I don't know, I can't say much, but there's a lot more coming on Netflix.
Monica's going to order a ring very soon then. But honestly, what was it about the film and the character that you played in the story? You looked very different. You looked really upbeat. It was a role that was very different from what we've seen you in. So what is it that attracted you to this one?
I think it was there are two things. So it was a role of a good police officer.
A first there as well.
So I felt like it was a welcome change for me and all the audience who have traumatized in the past with my portrayals on screen. So this was a welcome, refreshing change for me. And second of all, I think the character demanded a certain kind of a physical prowess and skills, which my very couch-friendly body wasn't very familiar with. So I put myself in a grilling training for 4 months to get to where I had to. And thanks to Sujoyda, who made it happen for me.
So let's just ask Sujoyda the next question. Wonderful trailer, exciting. Everyone's looking forward to it. Yes? Wow. Okay. Chalo, itna bhi. I want to ask you one thing. You've always said, and I've heard you say somewhere before, that at the core, Jaane Jaan is a romance. It's a love story. How difficult is it to have the love story come through when your plot is constantly twisting and turning, you know, you have actually married two very, very important spaces together. How difficult is it to craft something like that?
In this case, it was a little easy because, you know, I had that book in my hand. You know, I was given it on a plate. So it was just a process of taking it and adapting it. But the focus was, for me, it was always a love story. You know, when you read the book, people
Yeah.
tell you it's a thriller, it's a murder mystery, it's ye hai, wo hai, alana falana dimkara. But mere liye this was just uh, pure love story, you know, a man who would do anything for love, and he didn't expect anything in return. That's the bit which I had, you know, a difficulty to, because I'm not like that. No, but you know, so this character was amazing and unique, and I needed somebody. You know, I needed my King Kong to come in to give his unrequited love, and Jaideep came in, and then of course Karina was there to take the character to another level. Then Vijay took on the mantle of three characters and made them into one. And yeah, actually they are the one who made it so easy, you know. I just wrote
That was
it.
going to be my next question to you as a director. How does your job get really easy when you have, you know, maestros of the craft sitting
Amazingly
with
easy.
you? I mean, you
मैंने
can
कुछ किया ही नहीं.
evolve the story into what you like because you've got guys who's going to do it for you.
Yeah, amazingly. With these three, it was just a cakewalk. You know, I just gave them the character. I probably wrote the character at 2. They took it to 200. And they made the character. They took responsibility, the accountability. सब कुछ लिया इन्होंने. सब कुछ किया. I just wrote it and ये ले भाई character ले. And but thanks to all these three, the film is what is you see. You know. The film belongs to them, to Obik and to Urvashi, and they are the one who made the film. You know, my editor, my cinematographer, and these three amazing, amazing people. Yeah.
Okay, lots of questions to ask, but Jayu and Akshay, I'm going to get the next one to you. How did Janeja happen? How did you put it together? This is quite a stellar coming together, and as a producer, you've managed to pick the best and put it together and make a wonderful film out of it. So, how was it? How did it come about for you guys?
All Sujoy. Sujoy was very clear from day one of how he wants to make the film. I think he's been living with the film for quite some time. So I think it is in his blood, the film. So he was very clear of where he wants to shoot it, how he wants to shoot it, who should be in the film. So in fact, he made it easier. We just had to make
Sign
sure
the
his
checks?
vision he gets everything to make the film.
Amazing. Akshay, what about you? How did the whole partnership come together?
So Sujoy and I had made a film before this together.
Right, of course. So
and,
it was a natural.
And then we were discussing what to do next for the longest time. And then when this came up, Jayu and I decided to put this together for
Lucky
us.
for the film then.
Yeah.
Okay, Monica, you know, what is it about murder mysteries and thrillers that people love so much? Like, what is it about it, and why are audiences all across the world, you know, gravitating so much to this genre, this space? I mean, I thought, you know, it would be nice to shed some light on it and why we are so attracted when we're sitting to watch something saying, okay, let's watch this. You know, this title looks great. It's a thriller, mystery.
Actually, you're right, Minnie. It's one genre that is consumed so much. Like, and from a global Netflix perspective, this is one genre where film, series, anything which really taps into, you know, human curiosity and mystery that you have to unravel. Streaming is all about, you know, of course there's lean forward, like there's lean back viewing, but crime and mystery and thrillers are very lean forward viewing. And as human beings, we love that intensity, wanting to know what happened. So I think Janeja was just such a beautiful and heady mix, I would say, of romance and crime and amazing characters that, you know, the three of them have brought to the screen. Each of them, like I can't think of, you know, anyone else playing Maya D'Souza. Like Karina is Maya and Maya is Karina. and you know, Naru, and Vijay's character as the cop who looks very sweet, but we
Yeah.
don't know. I mean, who knows who's good, who's bad? Everybody has shades of gray, and when they come together, there's a heady cocktail that happens, and that's the story that Sujoy has woven, and that's the story that I think Jayu and Akshay. And by the way, I want to just call out that this is our first time partnering with Jayu and Akshay, and it has been such a wonderful partnership, such a giving partnership that we've had. It's been truly collaborative, and I really hope you'll work with Netflix again, both of you. And Sujoy, of course, and all of you. I mean, we are not letting you guys go anywhere, just like Vijay's been doing. I think all of you, we are going to like ensure that we tie you guys down to Netflix. We're so happy about the
I
way
can tie them
Janeja.
up.
Sorry?
I can tie them up.
Yeah, he's
Oh,
your
yeah.
agent. He's special.
Of course. I mean,
Ghar
last
ka
film,
aadmi.
yeah, he got tied up last time in the chair on
As a revenge.
yeah, as a revenge, he can tie everybody else up. So I think Janeja has really come together in such a smoldering and such a brilliant way that I think it just dishes the core of the genre. जो सबको crime और mystery thrillers में जो भी appeal करता है, that's like absolute center of plate. So, you know, it just keeps you hooked there. So I'm very excited.
Amazing. So picking up from what Monica just said about Karina, about her, you know, playing Maya D'Souza, I thought like you looked so comfortable playing, you know, Maya D'Souza, which is also very unlike what we've seen, you know, Karina doing in films. It was almost like you were in the skin of the character. You looked the part. You felt comfortable. I wanted to know what exactly was, apart from the fact that Sujoy was directing it and he was excited about the story, as an actor, what was it about her character that really appealed to you to play it?
I personally enjoy watching thriller, crime,
Okay.
you know, mystery. That's generally my go-to, even when like I'm watching Netflix or you know whatever. I'm steered towards that. So you know, when I read this story, I was like, I think it's just amazing because it's like out of a personal choice. I think जब आप you know खुद ऐसी films देखते हो या ऐसी shows देखते हो, you are more wanting to kind of you know do that. So what better to be you know debuting on Netflix than with a thriller? So it was like a kind of a instant kind of a you know feeling.
So you didn't have second thoughts about it. You were going to do it the moment you read it.
Yeah, for sure. And also, of course, you know, I've loved Sujoy's work and we've always wanted to work together. Like I said, for over a decade, we've been back and forth. And
So this was...
see,
this-
finally I worked with you, Sujoy.
I mean, she rejected, what, about 100 scripts?
Is that right? So you got the right one.
Yeah.
Well, all's well that
Finally.
ends well, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Jaideep, आपके लिए film बहुत ही, you know, it's been very unusual. And like we were talking about a little earlier, your look in this is very authentic, okay? And I believe that आपको 2 घंटे का prosthetic Sujoy ने करवाया. And I just want to know, you know, एक actor की शिद्दत होती है for sitting 2 hours before shoot every single day to put on that makeup. How difficult is it
And
to
it's
do
like-
something like this?
Look at his
It's one
glorious
thing to
crowning
do-
glory.
For once?
मतलब उसको रोज छुपाना.
It's one thing to do lot of makeup to look pretty.
Yeah, it's a lot of
And
makeup to
another
look
thing,
unpretty.
another thing to sit in front of the mirror for 2 hours and look like that.
Basically, you said that he's looking ugly in the movie.
No, but it is very unusual. So,
Basically, that you are looking ugly in the movie. He's saying that too.
I didn't say that. I love Jaideep.
Yeah, we all love
so what is the story behind this look? I'm going to put this question to Jaideep and Sujoy. You know, it's a very unique look. You've taken a man with a full head of hair and given him like a stressed out look. So, what was it behind the look of this character? I was very intrigued when I saw it, honestly.
It was in the book.
It was already sketched out.
In the book.
The look,
In the book, yeah.
and you followed it to the T.
Yeah. And he agreed. He agreed.
I would have done
He,
it.
he didn't even blink an eyelid.
Dada told me it's a love story. Beauty was वाला beast वाला मामला है. मैंने कैसे बनाओगे? मैंने like मेरे पास एक look है. And I know he was very scared कि ये बताऊंगा और ये मना करने वाला है. But it
बाद में
was
बताया.
amazing. Just looking those pictures, मैंने कहा ये करने में मजा आएगा. And then there is a beauty. ये possible नहीं कि उसके प्यार में ना पड़ा जाए.
Of course.
तो वो बहुत आसान पार्ट था. 20 इन्होंने बना दिया था.
That's amazing. Vijay, or to you, every time I see your name in the cast of a film, I'm waiting to be surprised. I'm like, I don't know which version of Vijay Varma we're going to see. So, what are the surprises that the audience can expect? I'm not asking you to give the suspense away, but what is it that we can look forward to Vijay Varma doing in Janaman in this?
I think it's really a completely new take on what I've done in the past. I've completely stayed away from what I had created before. It's a very new version of me, and on screen. And actually, you've seen the trailer, so there are glimpses of some action shoot. There's glimpses of certain kind of a presence which I didn't have before. So that is new, and I also feel like the dynamics between the three of us is something that people have never seen before. So that's very new and fresh. I have a very long and loving relationship and friendship with Jaideep. We go back a long way.
FTI days?
Yeah, we went to the same class at the film school.
You were on the same batch?
Yeah. So so as soon as I knew Jaideep is in the film and there's Kareena in it, I was like, I'm sold. I'll get to hang out with my friend, my old pal, and I get to hang out with this incredible gentleman, Sujoy Ghosh, who's very thoroughly entertaining. I call him Bengali British.
Perfect.
And we got to work with the goddess
Herself. Who's going to say no to that? But just a little bit more about the fact that these two are classmates from FTII. Do you guys prep together? Is there a sense of rivalry, competition, especially that we have the treat, we have a unique situation कि आप दोनों को एक ही फिल्म में हम देख रहे हैं. Did you prep together for this film?
जैसे मुझे भी पता चला था कि विजय वो कर रहा है, मेरे लिए बहुत आसान हो गया था क्योंकि मुझे अब उस पार्ट को तैयार करने की, उस रिलेशनशिप को तैयार करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जेन्युइनली जरूरत नहीं है, because it's been like 15-17 years we know each other. क्लास में रोज एक दूसरे से काम करके साथ में काम किया है, फिल्में देखी हैं, टीचर्स की गालियाँ खाई हैं, तो वो सब हम उस प्रोसेस से साथ में निकले हैं. सो द मोमेंट यू नो कि आपका कोई एक्टर ये है जिसको आप कुछ भी बोलोगे, कुछ भी बात करोगे, किसी तरह से भी डिज़ाइन करोगे, इट्स लाइक इम्प्रोवाइजेशन का एक रूल होता है, यू कांट से नो टू इट बेसिकली. तो उस पार्ट को बिल्कुल भी तैयार करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. द मोमेंट आई सी विजय, आई नो कि हाँ ये हो जाएगा.
So basically, you guys are going to be the new age Jay and Veeru. Any director who casts you has half the work done.
जय और विजय तो है ही नाम में.
हाँ, वीरू करने की जरूरत नहीं, जय विजय भी हो सकता है.
Perfect. There you have it. Perfect. So Joy, I'm going to ask you a question I've been dying to ask you. Okay, we know that where you shoot the film becomes a really important character in all the films that you do. We saw what you did with Calcutta when you did Kahani. And now you've shot it in beautiful Kalimpong. The film has, an amazing moody setting. So what was it about Kalimpong that helped you, take the story forward? It's very important to know that. Why did you choose that?
See, when you read the book, it's kind of set in a small hamlet of Tokyo. So I needed that. I needed a small place which is very academic, where there's this man teaching maths to a high school, and where a mother is trying to, restart her life. So it all fell into place in Kalimpong, where you could create a world like that, and in comes another man looking for another man. So too many men, one woman. And Kalimpong gives me that mystery, that little hilly, the fog. And I think that's very important to have in the kind of thriller that we are trying to set in Janeja. And I knew that terrain. I know that terrain very well. It's hometown. So it also...
So you loved it. And you shot the entire film in...
Yeah.
From start to finish in one location.
Yes.
that brings me to another question. Akshay, maybe I should ask you the question. Sometimes you just know when a film is, sprinkled with fairy dust. You know that magic is happening on the set and everything is going to be aligned just so and it's going to be a wonderful film. At what point, I'm going to be a little forward and say, at what point did you know that you had magic happening on the sets? I know for a fact because it's a wonderful film.
I think on day one only when we started, and the thing with Sujoy is that once the film starts, there's no worry left for the producer. It's all his problem then. He takes it forward completely.
Okay.
So on day one, I think we knew that this is going to go the way it is planned. And Sujoy knows Kalimpong. We were going for the recce to Kalimpong actually, and he had said we'll go for 7 days. And the recce got over in like 6 hours. Because everything was planned in his head. I'm going to shoot this here, I'm going to shoot this there, I'm going to shoot here.
Amazing.
And it was all planned actually before the recce.
Okay, so dream team vibes.
Yeah, completely.
Okay. Okay. Kareena, I want to ask you a question which I'm sure everyone's going to jump and ask you. Okay, you are the queen of spontaneity. Okay, everyone's seen you. You bring your first foot forward is that of being a spontaneous actor. Whereas you're working now with these two actors who are, FTII. They know each other. They work. All of that. How did the chemistry, how did it work out between you? Who intimidated who is what I want to know.
They intimidated me because they were so prepared that I was like, and anyway, I had gone with the thought. Saif had already told me, he's like, listen, this is not कि तुम van से makeup लगा के set पे जाके dialogue बोलोगे. He's like, please stop this attitude because you are working with Jaideep Ahlawat and Vijay Verma. Be prepared. They are going to be improvising and doing everything. And I was like,
No
yeah.
stress, no
So he
pressure.
was like, you better be on your toes because, ये नहीं है कि it's like a picnic. So he had warned me. So I was like, anyway, I have to be a little more like, जैसे कि student when you go to the class, you have to constantly like be alert. He's like, stop being that backbencher and now आगे आके थोड़ा कुछ करो. I said, yeah, I have to. So I was like constantly watching them that it was, because I know that like Jaideep is always so like prepared and, composed. Obviously that was his character. Vijay, I've realized, is a bit like me in the sense he's laughing and everything on the set and whatever, but his every take is different from the other. But it's also very thought of. I can tell that he's like thought of everything the way he's going to say it, what's going to happen. So I think just being in that environment, I was also on my toes and I'm so happy that I was because I think an actor should constantly be threatened by other actors on set.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, it's just going to be, So it's nice to have that slight alertness around, like, okay, whatever, what's happening, I should also be prepared. Is he going to, like, give me a look? Is he going to be, what's going to happen slightly different? So I think the whole process was, but we all three were really prepared, I think. मेरे बारे में भी कुछ अच्छा बोलो सब आपके बारे में अच्छा बोल रहे हैं हाँ
It was lovely intimidating.
FT आया है and all तो then I am like मेरे बारे में भी बोलो
वो
यार
FTII है ना फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की वो
आप
है
कितनी तैयारी करके आ जाओ सेट पे जब आप करीना कपूर के सामने खड़े होते हो जब आपको उनकी आंखों में देख के लाइन बोलनी पड़ती है ना तो कैमरा भी हिलता है आके तो आदमी छोड़ दो आप तो बड़े-बड़े लोगों को हिलते देखा है मैंने
so I'm just very happy that I was with them
I want to thank Saif Ali Khan
यार
because अगर वो नहीं होते तो इनको पता भी नहीं होता ये कौन है ये लड़के ने
थैंक्स
watching
सर
everything
I can imagine this conversation in a
yeah
room.
so I was like terrified I'm like oh my god what's going to happen
Okay, there are many questions that are going to come to you from everyone present here. But before I leave the room open for everyone's questions, Monica, one final question to you. Don't look so surprised. I just want to know it's something everyone wants to know. What is it about a script that pulls you in and makes you want to greenlight it? How do you put your finger on it and say, okay, this is the one we want to go with?
I think it's the easiest and the most difficult question that can be asked because really when an idea comes, a pitch comes, when producers bring it or creators bring it or a talent wants to, sort of star in a story, I think we have to think of that story by itself and we have to think of what we can do with it on Netflix. Like, how can Netflix serve that story and take it to everyone across the world at the same time in so many different countries and cultures? What is that absolute, appeal of that story to your own audience in that country? And then, beyond that, what is the universality of that story? What are the emotions it taps into? So I think selecting stories is a function of, like I said, the story itself, what we can bring to it as Netflix as the strongest global sort of distribution platform, the creative streaming platform, and what can it really do for the audiences here and everywhere else. So I think all of that is playing across in our minds as a team. We see the vision of the creator, like what is Sujoy thinking? What do Jay and Akshay want to do? What kind of story do they want to tell? And then who's the talent that should be upfronting the story? So I think it's always a very amazing mix of everything. And like you rightly said, you tell many, many stories. And then there are some where you just know.
Just know.
You know when you know that that magic has happened, that something that you were trying to put together, like it's got its own energy and it's moving in a direction. So I think that feeling is very special. And I think Janeja is that feeling.
Has it.
It is that emotion. So, I mean, that's the process of selection.
Amazing. I'm going to stop jabbering and I'm going to open the floor now to everyone who wants to ask questions. If you could only raise your hands and we'll be happy to ask you. The mic will come to you and we'll be happy to take questions. Yes, can we have the mic?
So, hi Karina, hi everybody, hi Vijay, hi Jaideep, hi Shujoyda, hi Monica. I loved the trailer. First of all, I am a murder mystery freak, so I really want to watch it. I'm a thriller freak. Actually, when you introduced Karina as a game changer, I would like to tell a few things. As a person who's always watched you, like grown up watching your films, the industry has gone through massive paradigm shifts in the last 20 years that you've been in the business. And you've witnessed and you've actually stayed relevant with all the changing times. How do you manage to do that? And with a film like Janeja, which is your Netflix debut, which is your OTT debut, it's also in a very different space from what people could have perceived you in. They would have wanted you like a heroine and you're here in a very de-glam avatar. How do you manage to stay relevant? Is there a process to that madness?
What a wonderful question.
Thank you.
Yeah, Jao.
Nayan, very different question from you. And at least you're not asking me to do dance on Ajadina.
I know, what a nice
For your
question.
reel. Huh? I think he wants, I know Nayan wants that. Huh, Nayan? I know you better. Acha, later. Okay, pakka. But I think that it's nothing, there's no thought behind anything. I think as an actor, everyone wants to try and do something different at every stage in their life. Of course, with me, it's always been very difficult because I've always been like known for that, whether it's Poo or Geet or like I said even in the announcement thing, कि वो एक दिमाग में बैठ गया है. So that has been a conscious effort that at least now I want to do different things. Even though I have always tried, but people still always push those roles ahead. They don't give the films that I have done before and chosen the characters, whether it was Dev, Yuva, Chameli, Omkara, whatever, I've always tried to, but they still go back to that. But hopefully now, I mean, I'm going to keep trying to do it, and I know they will keep coming back to Poo and Geet.
Wow, nice question.
Hello?
Yes, the lady over there. Yeah.
Yeah. So my name is Manjari. I'm from Pop Diaries. And firstly, congratulations to the whole team of Janeja. Absolutely a very, very fantastic trailer. I loved it. And I'm sure the audience will too. My first question is to Monica. After Chor Nikal Ke Bhaga, Rana Naidu, Kora, and now Janeja, what's next for Netflix? Because you've been giving us hits and hits and hits.
Next is Janeja, which
After that.
yes, lots is coming. I think we will share by and by. Some of it we've already announced. We've got very interesting series, very unique, first time in India, called Kala Pani, which is going to come. There's Chuna, there's Vishal Bhardwaj's Khufia that's going to come, there's Archie's that's going to come, and there are a lot of big blockbusters from the cinemas that are going to come in Hindi and Tamil, Telugu. So there's, I think we are just not going to give anyone, hopefully, my fingers are crossed, any time to anyone to find an evening anywhere else on any other platform. That's our endeavor, to really be there for you guys, to try and give you the best entertainment that you like in every single genre. That's what we do as a team. So I'm very excited, and most of all, I'm excited for Janeja because it's a countdown. It's coming on Karina's birthday. And we were just very excited about the date. And did we have to convince you, or you convinced us? I've forgotten. But it was just the right date. And I think we are all just looking at 21st September now. And it's going to be really sizzling.
And over to Karina. Ma'am, I just want to ask you, when we talk about you, we talk about glam, we talk about stunning, gorgeous, avatars on the big screen. I want to know, what was the transformation like into Maya? We know why you chose, but what was the transformation like?
Transformation was, I think the focus is always on the performance, but obviously look is also important, but you're just used to seeing me in a constantly glamorous kind of role on the big screen. That, if little bit also, if I change a look, it's like, oh God, this is slightly different. But obviously the focus is also on the performance of Maya more than anything else.
Right. The gentleman here, he has a mic.
Hello.
Okay, that's
Here.
you. Yeah.
Here.
You.
My question is to Jaideep. This is Amar from Movie Fight. Hello, Jaideep. There are an array of emotions as we saw in the trailer. There's love, there's jealousy, there's protectiveness, there's friendship. What was the brief? Sujoy ji ne aapko kya brief diya tha while you were shooting for the film and before that? And what did you adapt to make Naren your own?
जैसे दादा ने पहले ही बोला था कि ये लव स्टोरी है नरेन के लिए, वो आदमी कुछ भी कर सकता है माया के लिए, बेसिकली बात ये है। तो पर there is nothing negative inside him about Maya. There is no in a way Naren is alive, maybe. In a sense, he thinks he's alive because of Maya. So he can be maybe a little bit jealous because of Karan stepping into the life. And they also have a history. So I think वो कहानी जब आप पढ़ते हो तो उसमें वो सारी चीज़ें हैं, उनके धागे आपको पढ़े मिलते हैं उन सारे इमोशंस के। आई थिंक जब आपका कैप्टन इतना सॉर्टेड हो, उसको पता हो नरेन कौन है, तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा सेफ हाथों में होते हो। स्पेशली थ्रिलर जहाँ चीज़ें आपको नहीं पता है कि उस लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, तो एडिट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। तो वो मुझे लगता है कि दादा ने बहुत अच्छे से, हर दिन आप उस किरदार को साथ रहते हो तो वो अपने आप हो जाता है। मेरा जॉब इतना था कि मुझे उस सोच को पकड़ना है और उस भाव को पकड़ना है जिसको मैं बोलता हूँ। बाकी हैं आसपास लोग, आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत की, जनरली ज़्यादा मेहनत की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी। जैसे दादा ने बोला कि औबिकदा हमारे जो डीओपी हैं, यू जस्ट स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा, वो आपको ऐसा खड़ा करते हैं कि आप बिना कुछ किए भी आपका अंदर जो चल रहा है ना, वो आपको दिखाई देगा कैमरे पे। तो दैट्स हाउ इट इज़।
Wow.
Hi, this is Kunal Kothari here from India Forums. First of all, congratulations. It looks as fantastic as you expect from a Sujay Ghosh film to be. My question is for Vijay. It's already your 4th release this year, and it's in terms of what you've been doing lately, and especially considering it's all in the last 3-4 months, it is already tagged to be the year of Vijay Varma. And rightfully so. I mean, you've had a great year. But what are your thoughts on this? How it transitions to be having back-to-back releases and then having a gap and all that?
I'm just very glad that this has happened at this stage in my life where work is coming out and it's connecting with people. And I find it damn flattering that they're calling it the year of Vijay Varma. I want the Chinese calendar also to call it the year of Vijay Varma.
Hello. Hi, I am Jinal. I am from Hortifly. First of all, the trailer had me very excited. I'm looking forward to the film. Also, you all look very lovely. My question is for Sujoy sir. Sir, you've dabbled into this world of mystery so often, and I would love to know what attracts you to this genre particularly, and also with female characters at the center of these stories.
Mainly, it's the story. You know, when you get a story in front of you, there's something in that story which makes you want to tell that on screen. And especially in this particular case, where we had these amazing characters, you know, of Maya, of Naren, of Karan, and I really wanted to live with these people. I really wanted to be in their world, and it's kind of selfish. But I really, really wanted to understand how Naren behaves and how Maya survives and how Karan does what he does. That's it, you know, and I just wanted to live that life with them. So if that excites me, I'm willing to put my life on the line for that, then I tell that story.
Hello everyone, this is Aina from Instant Bollywood. I love the trailer, so congratulations on that. My question is to the producers, Akshay sir and Jayu sir. When you have, you know, as producers, when you have something like Netflix that backs your story and film, how do you feel, and what are the future kind of collaborations you're looking for? And I also want to ask Vijay, that, you know, you've played every character with such nuances, and when you're switching from one to another, it's actually in a very non-linear manner. How do you make sure that the essence of each character is different?
Sorry, the last part of the question again?
In the sense that when you're jumping from one film to another, where all your characters have some nuances, how do you make sure the essence of each character is different when you're shooting it? A sense.
Okay. But I want Akshay and Jayu to answer their question first.
Want me to start?
Because मैं सोचूंगा.
Netflix is the dream team to work with. You know, it's I think from the content team to marketing to everyone, it's so collaborative that yes, it is our first collaboration with them, and it's been so great that the idea is to keep, as if Monica allows, do more films together.
I'm flipping that on him if they are keen. We are very keen.
Hi, Karina, to your...
Vijay, you still haven't answered your question.
Yes, so one of the practices that I do is I try to do one film at a time, and that helps. Because then you are able to be with this one character and immerse yourself in that one story and familiarize yourself with that one script and those set of people. I try my best to do one film at a time. Sometimes it doesn't happen. Then I compartmentalize my brain and I do what I'm supposed to do. Sometimes I use different techniques, music, smell, whatever I need to do to get to a place. But for this one, 4 months, nothing. 4 months from December till about May, we went on Florin. May? Huh? June we went. So, yeah, from December I didn't take any work. Yeah, so for 4 months I didn't work. I just immersed myself in the process of preparation. So that helped.
Hello, everyone. This is Sonal from News 18 to your left, out here. Hi. My question is for Karina. You know, you mentioned how Saif told you to be a little prepared while you're working with Vijay and Jaideep. How much do you all run the scripts by each other? Also, what was his reaction about Jaane Ja?
Yeah. Director
एक्टर हो, आप
Okay,
बंगाली
you've
में
caused a
बोलो.
little riot here.
You can
Answer
speak in
this in
Bengali if you're not
Bengali.
comfortable with
She'll
English.
answer the question in explicit detail.
This is a suspense thriller.
This is the suspense. Break the suspense.
What was
The wife
question
was
again?
never
Sorry.
supposed to do this film, just break the suspense.
What was the question again?
I just asked, what was
Do we share the scripts with each other? So
Also,
this
and-
particular script, why don't you say?
It's a long history. We don't have that kind of time.
but if you could mention it briefly, I mean,
Yeah, so Saif has a history with the film. And then, like a true husband, he shoved all his responsibilities.
But that was almost 10 years later.
Yeah. So, yeah. So
He is actually most excited about this film.
Yeah.
He's really excited because it's all of us together.
Yeah,
And I think he's eagerly awaiting to watch the film. And he's seen the promo at least 3-4 times. And he's like, I think everyone's completely killed it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he was at the shoot also.
Would you call this as one of your most intense roles?
No, I've done quite a few intense roles. वो लोग आप लोग याद नहीं रखते, आप सिर्फ पू और गीत को याद रखते हो, इसीलिए बड़ा गुस्सा आता है.
Secondly,
इतने
I want to
intense
ask
roles,
you.
ओमकार अब तो intense था, we were just talking.
Secondly, I want to ask you. You're used to blockbusters, 100 crore, 200 crore. Is there something back of your mind like, how will this do? And the number game.
I think it'll do amazing because even for this, I know everyone globally will watch Janeja because everyone is eagerly awaiting for the film. I think it's more so not because of me coming on OTT. I think it's the entire team and the combination that everyone's waiting to watch. And I'm sure that on 21st September, Netflix subscribers are going to triple.
That's right. It's also Karina's birthday. So that's all the time we have for, unfortunately. But as you've seen, the film is releasing on Karina's birthday, 21st September. There's going to be a lot more excitement around it. So again, thank you all for being here. We're going to have the cast and the team here up for a photo op. So you're welcome to set up. And thank you all for being here, honestly. Yeah. So we'll thank you, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, Janeja does promise excitement galore, and I'm sure all of you are absolutely dying to know the cat and mouse games that our 3 protagonists are going to play on 21st of September. Jiska intezar hame rahega. So thank you so much once again for being here today, and I really hope that you guys will stay on. Guys, this one as well.